Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell us so how to fix problem when your Xcode just stacks on uploading build with when you're using Xcode Cloud. So actually how you could also fix that. So first thing, at my opinion, is just to understand if that's because of problems with your code or it's on Apple side. So actually we just need to check this thing. So firstly just tap here. After, you just need to go to cloud. From here you just need to choose your build and just try to rebuild. Just choose option rebuild. So that's what's official Apple documentation said. So please just try to rebuild your build that you just tried to upload before. And actually another thing you could try also to just add some change, like I don't know, like some space, or just some adding some label or comment, and just push create new comment and just try to build again. So if you still have that problem, so it could be caused by Apple side, but mostly if you see QE, so and your build just didn't go to processing, so it means that actually it's on Apple side. And please just wait, sometimes 30 minutes and up to 60 minutes, and just try to do it again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye.